This high-performance HOWO RHD fuel tanker truck is professionally engineered for safe and efficient liquid fuel transportation and mobile refueling tasks, adopting a sturdy HOWO right-hand drive chassis and reliable power system. It adapts perfectly to left traffic regions and complex road conditions. The high-strength fuel tank is equipped with anti-shake baffles, emergency cutoff valves, explosion-proof devices, and anti-static configuration, fully meeting international dangerous goods transportation standards, integrated with high-efficiency fuel pumps, precise flow meters, and complete loading and discharging pipelines. It supports flexible oil delivery and accurate measurement, with excellent corrosion resistance, stable structure, and low maintenance cost. This durable fuel truck is an ideal cost-effective solution for engineering, machinery refueling, fleet fuel supply, and bulk fuel distribution.